Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and this is my book, Hand Lettering for Beginners, and it's been out for a year, so we just hit its first birthday, February 2nd. So I thought today it would be fun to trace some of these worksheets with you. So if you have my book, you can pull it out and trace it with me. I'm going to use a pencil here, and we're going to do faux calligraphy today. If you don't have my book, I will link it below, or you can just trace on a blank piece of paper. So here you see me doing the lowercase alphabet with a pencil, and then I'm going to do uppercase, and then I'm going to show you how to make it fun and practice your faux calligraphy in a journal page. As you can see in my book, I show you where you're going to add the downstrokes and where you have your different strokes of the letter, because calligraphy is not cursive, so we pick up our pen in between each stroke. This can really help you with mindfulness, to break down your letters, to breathe in between your letters. And that's one reason why lettering and calligraphy can be so therapeutic, because you have to slow down and focus on the tiny details, and it's just that moment for you. One of my favorite things about faux calligraphy is that you can use any pen or pencil, and so it's really budget friendly. And faux calligraphy helps you to be able to move on to a brush pen because you can see where the downstrokes are without worrying about how to work a brush pen at first. So I have this in real time. I am going to turn on some music here and let you just letter with me until the end of the lowercase alphabet, and then I'll come back and explain the uppercase alphabet. So I hope you're enjoying lettering with me. Now moving on to uppercase, I'm using the Monami Plus Pen 3000. This pen is really cool because it's actually a fine tip, but it's a tiny little bit flexible, so if you push really hard, you can get a brush pen look. If you like really tiny lettering and a firm tip, you probably will like these pens. I do have a full review video about them. I will link that below. But here we're going to use them as the fine point to practice faux calligraphy. And with the uppercase alphabet, I know some people tend to skip practicing the uppercase alphabet, and that's okay. If you are not excited about it at all and you just really don't want to do the uppercase alphabet, that's totally fine. But I hope that these worksheets can give you an idea of just a simple style that can work for you. The uppercase alphabet doesn't have to be scary. You can keep it really, really simple. And not every uppercase letter has to connect to the next letter in the word. So keep it simple. And I hope you'll at least try practicing the uppercase alphabet right now. If you really, really hate it after that, you don't have to practice it again until you're ready. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on some music again. And then I'm going to come back with a little project that you can do to practice your faux calligraphy and make it more fun and have a page in your journal. The reason I want to show you this fun project that you can do in your journal is because this month the challenge that I have for my newsletter subscribers is how can I make it more fun? If you want to join the monthly challenges, I will leave the link for the lettering library below. So basically, I just lettered the alphabet in rainbow colors in faux calligraphy in my journal. And then you're going to see this is something I have never done before, but I decorated the edges with washi tape. I have a bunch of washi tape just lying around, and I normally don't use it very often because I'm not a bullet journaler. But if you've seen my latest videos, you know that I've been doing this hand lettering journal. And it's basically a self-care journal where I letter affirmations. It's a way to improve my lettering and calligraphy, but also to center myself and be my mindfulness practice. So I had no idea what I was doing with this washi tape, but I just experimented and found something kind of random and crazy. And that's the thing with having more fun. There's not always a plan, and you don't always know how it's going to look or if it's going to work out, actually. But the idea is that you're having fun while you're doing it. And that's the whole point of creating. It's not about the end result and accomplishing something. It's about the moments spent with your pen on the paper. So I hope you enjoyed practicing faux calligraphy with me. I'm going to do another fun practice like this next week, and I will leave the playlist here. I will see you next time.